All right, let's start by talking about what AI image generation actually is. AI image generation turns a written description called a prompt, as y'all know, from the courses leading up to this one, into an entirely new image. The formula is a little bit different when you're working with AI image generation, but they use the same algorithms that are trained on visual data sets instead of just text. These tools draw on vast collections of pictures and text to understand what you ask for and how it should look. During training, they scan millions of caption images. That experience lets the model predict shapes, colors, textures, and patterns to match your words. So platforms such as Canva, DALL-E, and Midjourney each have unique strengths, yet the core process is the same. We're going to use Canva because, as I explained in the last module, it's got text to image integrated into an easy design workspace. DALL-E is the original AI image generation. If you use ChatGPT in the second year, when they had the image generation added, they were basing that off of DALL-E. Now they've created their own image generation that if you have the paid version of ChatGPT, can create really great images. And actually, I think is one of the best of the whole group. That would be the GPT-4o image generator that's in this image on the right. And this image is from this website. The best AI image generators are getting scary good. And they look at all the different image generators. We're focusing on Canva. We already set up the account and everything's baked into that suite. But I was using Midjourney for a while, and I still think Midjourney is top of the game if you're looking for realism, quality, and a platform you can imagine your dreams on. So now that we know what it is, the next question is, why should we use it? AI lets you visualize ideas almost instantly, turning abstract thoughts into concrete images. This speed is a creative superpower. You can test variations, gather feedback, and iterate without waiting for a sketch artist. It boosts creativity and storytelling by giving you a flexible art partner that never tires. You can explore moods and styles that you might never have even gotten a chance to do on paper, which can spark new narrative directions. This approach is accessible for anyone, even people who have no drawing experience. Like when you're young and you feel like your drawings are not up to the caliber, most people quit out. And there's very few people that stick with that. But this gives you a chance to use that creative muscle and make those creations that you've been thinking about. This democratizes that experience and gives people access to showcase their thoughts to the world. If you all want to get some more information, there's a resource here, The Science Behind AI Image Generation, How It Works. That goes into some of the behind the scenes about how these machines are put together. And let's not forget to take a moment to look at this cute dog here wearing a party hat. Real or not, I just hope that dog has a great party. So the reason is clear. Let's see how to put this tool to work through some effective prompting. This is how we're going to use AI for image generation in this course. So this guide here, we're focusing this next part, the Explore section, off of the AI Prompting Guide 101. You got to know a little bit of art here, but I think this guide lays it out very clearly and enjoyably. We're going to be looking at stuff like art style, subject, setting, lighting, distances, viewing angles, focal length, other camera settings. Like these are all things that everyone has to learn if they want to be a photographer. And sometimes we don't have the resources or the time to devote to that. And this gives you a chance using the same principles. So stay tuned for the Explore section.